Hello guys. Sorry, I had to no remake this video again so I can add the settings to this strategy because the previous one I noticed and people have been complaining like they've not seen the settings for the strategy, and I had to go back to the video and I noticed that I didn't add the settings. So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys the settings to the strategy, then you can continue with the video. Okay, so the settings for this strategy will be on the main chart, the moving average, the Bollinger Bands, and the stochastic oscillator on window indicator 1, moving average, and MACD. So now the first indicator you'll be adding to your charts will be the moving average. I hope we all know where we can add our indicators. You can find your indicator here. The F symbol you're seeing here, it's where you click and it will take you to your indicators window and you look for moving average. And when you click on the moving average, the period there should be 10. The shift 0 method learner weight applied to waiter close. The styles should be 4 pixel and I'm using green. Make sure you use a color that it's um, more bold enough, like a color you can see clearly on your chart so you don't do mistake. Okay, after that you click done, and the second indicator you'll be adding here will be the Bollinger Bands, and the Bollinger Bands will have the period of 5, deviation of 0.5, shift is 0, applied to previous indicators data. Style is 4 pixel and I'm using a gold color, and after that click on done. So the next indicator you'll be adding will be on your indicator window 1, which is the stochastic oscillator, and it has a K period of 5, D period is 3, slowing is 3, price field is low, high, method is simple. And the styles, the main is 4 pixel. I'm using a white color because I don't want the lines to show on my chart. So if you're using a black background, make sure you set the color to black. But if you're using a white background like I'm using, you make sure you use white color. And the signal is here 4 pixel, also white color. The levels here will be the level 90, the level 80, the level 20, and level 10. Okay, after that you click on done. So the next indicator you'll be adding again will be the moving average, still on your indicator window 1, which has the period of 10, shift 0, method liner weight, apply to later weight, start 4 pixel. I'm using a green color. After that is done. So the last indicator here will be the MACD. On the MACD, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. Main is 1 pixel. I'm using a white color. That's if you are using a white background, make sure you use white. If you're using a black background, make sure you use black. The signal here is 4 pixel. I'm using the red color. Please guys, make sure you screenshot all this and keep so that you can use them and set on your chart so you don't do mistake. And that's all for the indicators for this strategy. So guys, you can continue watching the video. Thanks. This famous Forex Academy, where we teach and groom people into becoming professional traders. And our duty here is to share good and nice videos like this for you guys to use and learn and know how to make money in Forex. So today guys, we are bringing to you this amazing and reliable strategy. It's one of a kind. It's the first of its own, and it's very reliable and profitable. So I'll just advise you guys to sit back, watch this video so you can understand how this strategy works perfectly, and so you can apply it on your own trades and make money for yourself. So first of all guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel before, I'd like you to do so. Hit the subscribe button, share the video with your friends, like the video, leave some sweet comments after using this strategy to make some cool cash for yourself. Come back here and leave some sweet comments, and I want to see the testimonies. And Also, don't forget to turn on your notification so you can always get amazing stuffs like this whenever I drop it online. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So quickly, let's run to the video and let me show you guys how this strategy works. And before I start, I'd like you guys to know that we run account management. If you're having troubles making money in Forex, you've been struggling and all that, you can bring your account to us and we can show you guys how you can actually make some great, do for yourself. Okay, and also you can check on the description page. You'll see a link to our Telegram. It's a free Telegram group where we, drop strategies and how you can the strategies and analysis and how you can actually trade the forex market, and we also drop free signals as well. And if you want to join our vip, still check on the description page. You'll see a link to my whatsapp number. You can talk to me directly and we can talk and tell you how you can join the VIP where we drop 3 to 4 signals daily, profitable signals where you can use and make so much money for yourself. And we also run a mentorship program. Come learn with us and become a professional trader. Okay guys, so let's get to the video. Okay guys, so on this video we're going to talk about how you can scalp the market, and hold as long as 20 minutes. This is scalping strategy. It's a scalping strategy, and in scalping you don't have to stay long in the market. It's not a swing trade. It's a kind of trade you just jump in and you're out of the market. But this you can hold as long as 20 minutes. That gives you 20 candlesticks, and you know how much it can gives you if you are using some good lot size to hold up to 20 minutes and make some cool cash for yourself. So guys, first of all, before I show you how this works perfectly, like I always say, if you want to scalp the market, scalping needs you to sell. If you are actually scalping boom, you need to be selling, and if you're actually scalping crash, you need to be buying. That's how you scalp. And before you scalp, you have to understand, like I always talk about price action. The price action is very, very important. You have to understand price action in forex. If you don't understand price action in forex, it will be difficult for you to make money, because you wouldn't know when you are supposed to take a trade. Okay, bad trade comes when you make some bad decisions and you enter the trade at the wrong time. So you always have to enter the trade at a very right time so you don't get to lose so much money. So I'll explain this to you. Okay, now we are on boom 1000 and we are trying to scalp. So when do we scalp? Okay, we have to know when to scalp and when is the right time for us to scalp this boom. Boom actually is a kind of a market that spikes up. Okay, when the market is going up, it's spiking. So actually, if you're trying to scalp boom and the market is on uptrend, that means you'll be losing a whole lot of money, because you have series of spikes happening at that moment. So once you see boom and uptrend, it's not advisable for you to scalp, because at that moment it's actually giving you a whole lot of spikes. That's why the market is pushing up, because they have series of spikes happening. So the best time for you to scalp boom, it's when you see the market on a downtrend. Okay, so this is how it works. First, you have to go to the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you have to go to the 1 hour time frame to understand how this market it's doing at the moment. Okay, and the reason we have this moving average, the green indicator you're seeing here, is to tell us which direction the market is heading at the moment. As you can see, the market is on downtrend. This is what I mean by a downtrend. As you can see from my trend line here, you can see from my trend, sorry guys, as you can see from my trend line here. Okay, as you can see from my trend line here, you will agree with me that this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. So when you see this kind of a setup, and you see the market actually moving down at this direction like this, and you have something like this on your chart, this tells you that the price is going down at that moment, and it's actually safe for you to start scalping and pick a few candlesticks, wait for the right entry again, wait for the right setup, you enter again, pick some few candles, and you can do this even if it's 10-20 times in a day. So far you always have the right setup and the right timing for you to do so. It's advisable you can do so and make as much as you can. So guys, after seeing this kind of trend like on your chart like this on your 1 hour time frame, and you see that the market is actually on a downtrend, the price is pushing down, that's when you can go back to your 1 minute time frame and you start scalping. Okay, so when you get to your 1 minute time frame, you don't just jump into the trade and you start scalping. You have to wait for the conditions to be met so you can start scalping. So the first condition you'll be looking out for when you want to start scalping is for you to see that the excuse me guys. So the first condition to be met is when you see on your indicator window 1, you see the red and the black indicator, okay, crossing each other like this above level 80. It has to be above level 80. If it's not above level 80, don't take the trade, okay? So you have to make sure that the black and the red indicator is above level 80. That's in between the level 80 and level 90, and it's crossing each other downside like this, okay? So the moment you see the red and black indicator on above level 80, in between level 80 and 90, crossing each other to the downside like this, that's the first condition you have to observe. So when that is done, you now look up to your main chart, okay? So when you look over to your main chart, you have to wait to see that the green indicator is crossing the gold indicator like this down, okay? If it's going up like this, it's not advisable for you to make the trade. You have to always make sure that it goes down like this. So the moment you see the green indicator crossing the gold one to the downside like this, that's when the second condition has been met. After the first condition has been met, which is your black indicator and the red indicator on your indicator window 1 above your level 80 crossing each other to the downside like this, and on your main chart you see that the green indicator is crossing the gold one to the downside like this, that it's when you open your positions. You take up to 20, you can hold as long as 20 minutes, okay guys? If you check, it's up to 20 candlesticks. You just hold up to 20 minutes, and after that you close the trade. You don't stay longer than 20 minutes. Just make sure you stay for 20 minutes and you close your trades with profit, okay guys? So that is it guys, that is it. That's just what you have to watch out for. Watch out for the two conditions. Make sure the two conditions are being met before you take the trade. Okay guys, let's look for another entry. Let's look for another entry guys. Okay, this is another entry right here. As you can see here, you see that the black and red indicator here, it's above the level 80, in between the level 80 and level 90. And on your main chart, you see that the green indicator is crossing the gold indicator to the downside like this. As you can see, these are so many candles for you to pick here, but you don't have to be greedy. You just have to pick 20 candlesticks. Just 20 candlesticks. That's 20 minutes. Just give yourself 20 minutes timing. When the moment it's 20 minutes, you close your trade and you take your profit and you wait for another conditions to be met and you enter the trade again. You can do this over and over again as many times as you wish, but just make sure the conditions are being met correctly first before you make the trade. So guys, this is how this strategy works. It's very reliable, and it's very reliable and so profitable guys. Just like I always say, if you see a strategy like this online and you're not comfortable with it, so I always say you have to try it on your demo account. After you have been comfortable and confident enough that it's working perfectly fine, you can now move to your real account and start trading. Okay guys, this is another example here. As you can see here, the black and red indicator here are above the level 80, in between the level 80 and level 90. And on the main chart, you can see that the green indicator crosses the gold indicator to the downside. As you can see, as you can see here, crosses the gold indicator to the downside. And let's assume this was your entry. Okay guys, you can see it came down there and there was a spike, but the spike was not that long enough to take you out of your market. Okay, this was your entry and this is where the spike stopped. That means you were still in profit. At that moment you can still hold and make sure it's complete 20 candlesticks. Okay, as you can see, there was still a spiky but not long enough to take you out of the market till it was all the way down here. So guys, you can just do this. Just make sure you hold for 20 minutes. Don't stay longer than 20 minutes. Don't be greedy. Just take your profits and you're out of the market. So guys, this strategy is one of a kind. It's first of its kind. This way you always see it, because we're famous Forex. We always bring you the best. We always bring you the best because we want everybody to make money on Forex. So guys, if you find this video interesting and you find this channel interesting and you're always learning from this channel, I always like you to I'll ask you to share the video with your friends. Okay, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed before, and like the video and leave some sweet comments. Turn on your notification bell so you can always get new videos from us. And don't forget to check on our description page. You see a link to our WhatsApp number. You can talk to us directly if you want account management, you want us to manage your account and give you daily profits, or you want us to teach you in becoming a professional trader. You can enroll on our mentorship program, or if you want to join our VIP team where we drop 3 to 4 5 signals daily, profitable signals which you can use in making a whole lot of money for yourself. Just check the description page. You see a link to our WhatsApp number. Just click on a link and you can talk to us direct, or you can still check on the description page. You see a link to our free Telegram group. Just join the group and observe what's happening in our group. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. See you some other time. Bye.